All right, it's the 6th day after the pour. This is Thursday. It's about 45 degrees, supposed to get up in the 50s, nice and sunny. Today we're putting on waterproofing, so I'm gonna go get the leaf blower. We're gonna blow out the trench, clean off the footer, get everything ready to put adhesive on. This is the adhesive primer we put on first. Kind of a funny blue color. Perma barrier. Okay, here's the dimple drain board that goes on over the peel and stick. And there's the peel and stick. What we're using is from WR Meadows. It's called Mel Roll. It's a rolled self-adhering waterproof membrane. So first we put on the primer, then we put on that roll of peel and stick, and then we put on this drain board, and then we're waterproofed. Alright, taking the bracing down. Gonna restack that back on the trailer. Alright, so our walk boards that we were using as scaffolding are now going to be our rim joists. So we're going to put the other piece of the Simpson hangers on these and fasten those to those hanger plates, which, by the way, is absolute overkill. That wall there doesn't really need them, but we had them, so we used them. Don't really want to be breathing this stuff, it's pretty gnarly. But we're getting it on up to the finished grade line. And one thing I wanted to point out here, the only problem we had with this whole pour was this corner where we forgot to strap it. Forgot to tape it, and the concrete pushed it out a little bit. So all we got to do there, it's only about a ½ inch, but all we got to do there is just shave it down flush before we put the finished cladding on. So that'll be all right. But all in all, everything went pretty well considering. So we're gonna finish putting this primer on and then get to the peel and stick. I pulled the wall lines, the string lines off, because we don't need those anymore, and get this up, get this trench cleaned out, start working on the French drain maybe. You got a lot of work lined up right now?
Just finished up a couple jobs, and I just got a bunch of calls today.
Oh, okay.
Actually, that's coming up, so yeah, it's lining back up again.
Good.
Yeah.
I'd like to be able to pour the next floor next month.
I would think so. That'd be a good time. I mean, Friday weather holds up.
Yeah, I mean, as long as your schedule, if you could do it,
it typically will be good in December.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna bust butt and try to get this floor and this slab done, and then get you back here.
I like it.
Getting a buzz yet?
Yeah, I think I've got it. This stuff is high smelling.
Yeah. Go ahead.
All right.
That stuff is sticky.
Oh my goodness.
Guess that's what you want. Okay, so while they're installing that peel and stick, I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of this drain pipe and start assembling some sections, so tomorrow we can lay down our filter fabric and quickly assemble the French drain and the clean out. And then I'm having gravel delivered tomorrow also, so we might be able to knock out this whole drain tomorrow. It's supposed to rain a little bit, but if it doesn't rain too bad, hopefully we'll be able to have the foundation drain done tomorrow. So I'm going to start putting together the pipe. Alright, I'm using 4-inch PVC perforated sewer pipe. So you got your holes here that go down, they face down. So you line up your, this writing and you connect it, because it's on the complete opposite side of that middle row of holes. So that's how you line up your pipe. You put the holes down in the trench so that when the water goes down, it has to seep up, and that's the way you drain it. You don't want to put the holes up because it'll fill up with junk. So when we put this in the trench, we're going to also put a pipe sock over it, cloth sock, because we want to keep as much sediment out of this as we can, keep it flowing free. So right now I'm going to hook up this T-fitting. This is going to go in the very center of the back of the house with a pipe that goes up to about grade level so we can clean it out if it ever gets clogged. It only costs an extra $5 or so, and it's good preventative maintenance, good preventative measure to take. So this drainage board that we're putting on over the peel and stick, basically a filter fabric that covers up a dimpled plastic. And that kind of breaks the capillary action, lets the water drain down right along your waterproofing to control your water drainage. And we'll just lap that over that one, and we should be all right. Okay, now we got a few 20-foot sections pre-assembled. So now I should just have to lay it into the trench, put the elbows on. Shouldn't take too long to finish this up. Hopefully we can do that in the morning. These guys have to come back because we were a roll short of the peeling stick. So that's kind of where we ran out, and we need to come down here. So they'll be back tomorrow morning, finish that up while I'm working on the drain. Got some gravel coming tomorrow. We're getting there. Pretty soon we'll have this waterproofing and drain buttoned up and knocked out. Okay, all the peeling stick is on and all the drain board is on over it. So our waterproofing is just about done here, and you can see it follows the grade line, and we'll cut that to the grade once we get to that stage. But this dimple board just, you know, screws to the wall over the peeling stick, like I said. That way the water will run down behind it, hit that peeling stick, and it takes it straight down to the footer and into the drain. As you can see, I got some drain pipe in there already. That's going to be the next video. Show you kind of what I'm doing with that. But there she is. We're waterproofed. So like I said, that's it for this video, the waterproofing video. Next video I'll show you the foundation drain, how I'm doing that, and hopefully we can get that knocked out. It's supposed to pour down rain tomorrow or the next day, so I'd like to get this done so I don't have to keep, you know, digging it out and cleaning it out. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.